dear community member, whoever have joined Devconnect Argentina in person and stopped by to say hello, I am really grateful to you. People whom we could not meet, I hope to meet you in some other part of the world, maybe in a different conference, maybe at a different place. But thank you so much for supporting ECH Institute. We had a lovely time at Argentina Devconnect this year. We got an opportunity to talk to many developers and talk about EIPs, Fusaka upgrade, and so many other things. So yeah, thank you everyone for joining us here.